Well, President Biden addressing the nation today about mounting concerns over that new Omicron variant. The president taking steps to limit transmission, all while stressing the need to get vaccinated and to still mask up. ABC's Ike Ajachi is in Washington with the latest.
Today, President Biden speaking directly to the American people regarding the latest developments surrounding the new Omicron variant of the coronavirus. Biden crediting health experts in South Africa for identifying the new variant quickly.
This kind of transparency is to be encouraged and applauded because it increases our ability to respond quickly to any new threats.
His speech comes as new travel restrictions take effect. They apply to most non-U.S. citizens coming from South Africa and 7 other African nations.
While we have that travel restrictions can slow the speed of Omicron, it cannot prevent it.
The World Health Organization says the overall global risk is very high due to the variant's mutations. The variant, first detected in southern Africa, was labeled as a variant of concern, which means that there is scientific evidence that the variant is a threat, although there are still many unknowns. Still, the president says this is not a cause for panic, but a call to get vaccinated.
We have more tools today to fight the variant than we've ever had before, from vaccines to boosters to vaccines for children.
Today, Pfizer saying it's working to create vaccines specifically for the Omicron variant if it becomes necessary, and that it would be ready in 100 days subject to regulatory approval. Moderna also saying it's working on tweaking its vaccine for the Omicron variant as necessary. Meanwhile, the discovery of the new variant comes as COVID-19 hospitalizations are climbing for a third straight week. New York already declaring a state of emergency to boost hospital staffing. New York City health officials issuing a new mask advisory strongly recommending all residents to wear masks in public indoor settings. Elsewhere, confirmed cases of the Omicron variant have been reported in over a dozen countries, including Scotland, Portugal, and Canada. The UK is also tightening rules on testing for international arrivals. Johnson & Johnson says it'll evaluate its own vaccine against the Omicron variant. Ike Ajachi, ABC News, Washington.